Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Toyota dual fuel pneumatic forklift, model number 8FGU32. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. It has a base capacity of 6,500 pounds, and it runs on dual fuel. So in this case, that's gasoline and LP. Now you'll see here that it has four-way hydraulics, and this fourth function is an open function for whatever you might need it for. And you'll see here that we have that automatic tilt level button that Toyota is known for. And while we're on this side, I'll mention that it has this paper clip over here as well as a cup holder. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 187 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now this forklift will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. And you'll see that these tires are black traction solid pneumatic tires. And coming up here to the front, we have these ultra bright LED headlights. Coming inside of the cabin, we have lots of safety features here, including those dual rear view mirrors, as well as the steering wheel knob and a fully adjustable steering column. And this is a full suspension, fully adjustable seat, and it adjusts here with your tilt as well as forward and backwards, and with your suspension. And you'll see here that we have that orange high visibility safety belt. And back there on that back pillar, you'll see that we have that rear pillar handle with the horn that keeps a horn at your operator's thumb even when they're backing up. And back on the back, you'll see that we have those combination lights that have your brakes as well as your turn signals and the backup light, and you'll hear the backup alarm as well. And of course, we have that yellow strobe as well. Now, as I mentioned, this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.